Okay, so excuse the messy desk and the glare, but these are in page protectors, and I had to show you guys this like on a video because it doesn't really show up in pictures. But for the first time ever, I sewed my page protectors and made giant shakers with my pages. I don't know, let's see, let me take one out and show you guys. And it was so fun. Went with the Mardi Gras theme because this was Mardi Gras at Universal. The colors aren't showing up very well, but I used Vicky Bouton papers and very, very minimal embellishments other than having the shaker pages. So I cut a slit and then sewed around my page protector so that I could still open up the map that we got at the park. Because apparently this is the only one that I got. So, I wanted to include it, and it had Mardi Gras on the front. So, I got these from close to my heart, these half-page things. And I had so many pictures of this event, and you know, I told y'all I'm not gonna make 5 million layouts of the same thing. So this was a great solution, and you can still see the rest of the page, and then this is just all the pictures. Oops, sorry, bumped the camera. And here's this, and then for the last one, I did my journaling. I cut out a few things. This is the only embellishments I made, this and this title. But it's so much fun and interactive. So I love it, the way it turned out. With these ones, I did my journaling, and this is the only one of these that I added the sequins to, and I think it turned out great. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. This was for Monica's crop for cruising the Nile. So it has been fun doing these challenges. So thank you, Monica, and hope y'all enjoy. Bye, y'all.